Here I've got Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to change text tone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sounds, and here click on text tone. And here you've got the whole list, so let me show you all of them, then you will be able to pick the one that you like the most. So let's start with default. Then you can open Classics. And also we can pick one from ringtones. Here we've got the whole list, but I will choose one from the alert tones, so we can choose, for example, typewriters. Go back, and that's it. As you can see, text tone has been changed, so now you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.